Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Middle Math Enthusiast. Before we get started on how to make a digital pixel art activity for really any subject that you might need to use it for, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and again, leave any comments below if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you guys out with it. So again, today we are going over how to make a pixel art activity. Those are very popular right now. This is a picture I kind of just did really quick. I probably could have added a little to the heart, and I just put hi there. I was going to try to spell love, but the V was a little hard. So really what I want to go over is how to do the conditional formatting to get the get the picture to pop up when they type in the correct answer. So again, you can do this for words if you're maybe a reading teacher, or if you want to do this for vocabulary for your class, if you want to do this for math, really just whatever you need to do this for, you can. So it's a really great activity and it's fun and the kids like it. So in order to do this, one, you need a picture. You need to have whatever the problem is going to be, and you need to have the answer. So again, if it's a definition and a vocabulary word, whatever you want it to be. And again, you can always type instructions up here, type question, and then put your answer here. Whatever you need to do. This is just a quick, easy example once again. So again, when you have your answer, go ahead and click on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to click Format. And then we're going to go down to conditional formatting. So again, click on your answer, click format, and then conditional formatting. And then this window pops up for you. So it already defaults to this green color. But again, whatever color you want to use. So I'm going to pick this red color. And I used that one, I believe. So the formula that we need to do, so under format rules, it says format cells if you need to actually type in a formula. So we're going to scroll all the way down to custom formula is. Then we're going to type equal sign, $sign, and whatever cell we're in. So this is B2. So B2. So then I'm going to type in $sign, capital B, $sign. 2 is equal to, and then put 7. So that means anytime that 7 is typed into B2, it's going to format to a red color. So if you don't want this actual cell to be red and just the other cells, you just have to take off B2. But I kind of like it so they know when it changes colors, you have the right answer. So I'm going to leave B2 as part of the range of cells that are going to turn red whenever 7 is typed into B2. Then we're going to click add another range, and I'm just going to click and I'm going to push control and hold it down, and I'm just going to start clicking a bunch of random spots that are the color that I want it to turn when 7 is hit. So again, just hit a bunch of random spots. You can do bars, lines, however you want to do it. Again, since it's pixel art, I kind of think it's cool just to click a bunch of different random places. So it kind of looks pixelated as the picture's trying to come to. And when you're done, make sure to hit OK out of this box. You don't want to hit over here, done yet. Make sure you hit OK in the select a data range box. Okay, now at this point, we can hit done. Okay, so very carefully, don't hit anything else yet. So while all of these boxes are still highlighted, we're going to go over to the paint bucket where it says fill color and click on it and click reset. Now doing this will allow the boxes to go away when nothing is typed in, which is what you want. So again, it's just going to be a repeated process. You can right click and do conditional formatting again, or format conditional formatting. The box is usually already popped up and you can always click add another rule. So this time if I want to do pink, I'm trying to remember what pink color I used. I want to say it was that color. And again, you got to go down to formatting rules and pick custom formula is. And again, it's equal $sign, B $sign. And this time I have B 3. So I'm going to make sure I put 3, and that's going to be equal to 13. Okay, so now when I type in 13 into cell B13 or B3, I want to apply that color pink to that cell, but also I want to add another range, and I want to apply it to all these different cells as well. Okay, and then when you are pretty satisfied with all of that, maybe I need to pick a little bit more random spot. When you're satisfied, again, just make sure you hit OK and hit Done. And once again, it's the same thing. While these cells are highlighted, make sure you go over to the fill color, the little pink bucket, and hit Reset. Okay, so that way, whenever you erase 13, the boxes go away, or the colored boxes go away. When I type in 13, they come back. So again, it's just basically doing this over and over again. I'm going to click Add Another Rule. Under Format Rules, we're going down to Custom Formula Is, and we're typing in equal, $, B, $, and whichever number row that you're in. So this time it's 4. And that's going to be equal to 13. So whenever 13 is typed into B4, I really want it to turn this red color. And then again, you're going to go over, add another range, and you're going to start selecting your red spots. Oops, not that one. So all of these different spots will turn red when this number is typed in. So basically, we're working backwards, and once you have it done, it's going to look a little something like this. So when you get to this point and everything's cleared off your screen, I would go back through and just make sure when you enter in the answers that everything pops up like it should and how you want it. And you can go through and just make sure the picture shows up like it should. If it doesn't, I would go back through, and instead of trying to just edit the conditional formatting, I would delete all of it. So I would type everything in and make sure that, like I said, it shows how you want it. And if it doesn't, I would go and pick one and I would delete the whole thing, and I would try to fix it that way. But that's the really simple and short way to go ahead and make a conditional formatting. You can make your pixelated picture. How I made this picture in particular, I actually just kind of moved around and adjusted the rows and the sizes to kind of make it just a little bit more square. Because on Google Sheets, it was kind of difficult to format all of the squares for me. It wouldn't let me change the sizing. So I just did it by hand. And then I just went and kind of made my own shape. So again, you can find different pixel pictures that you can use and put on your own color by number. And then again, we're just working backwards and we're doing the conditional formatting. If you guys have any questions, again, make sure to leave your comments down below. And if you like this video, it'd be really great if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you subscribed for more EdTech tips and more ways on how to make activities like this. Now, if you want to purchase instead of making your own, definitely check out our TPT store. Right now, we have one pixel art activity, but we definitely have more to come. We're really happy to share with you how we figured out how to do this, and now that we know how to do it, we are definitely going to make more. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.